Hello, trading is closed on November 24th, 2017. My last call said that all we had to do for the rally to continue would be for us to take out this high promptly, ideally by gapping over it, which is what we did. We looked for a pattern with an early high, which is what we got. All the times worked. Monday's pattern should also be the one with an early high. Has a tendency to rally into the close. The early high doesn't preclude gapping down first, and on those infrequent occasions where there isn't a rally into the close, there tends to be a straight line drop down. During the day there were no MEJT signals to guide us for Monday's trade. Well, we have here the same setup we had earlier, where you gapped up, hit a new highs, can't hold on to any of them. All we need to do to continue the rally is to take out these highs promptly, ideally by gapping over them. Wasn't too hard to do it today. I think it's going to be much harder to do it Monday. Let's go over the reasons. Despite, that's not what I wanted to show. Let's try it again. You can see how despite gapping up, this consolidation couldn't clear this consolidation. We undercut these highs. We also couldn't close over any of these highs, not even the opening high, and we actually couldn't even close over the intervening low. Those are all negative things. What's really negative about the whole advance is that every day there's been a sell-off into the close. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days straight of selling off into the close, even though often we'd start off by moving higher. It's not really a healthy pattern. We have the dates I've been watching for coming up today and yesterday and Sunday. That's the time. This is a price which by somebody else's method is a resistance area. People who like to see Fibonacci relationships can use any one of a number of different counts. If that's A, you can have your A, B, C. You get nice Fibonacci relationships. Here's your wave C. Here's your wave A. You'll see they're exactly equal. So if we stop here, you have a plausible count, which again isn't the only one. So for the rally to continue, all we have to do is to move up promptly at the open and to gap over these highs. The market's in a strong rally mode. I can't say it's impossible. However, I think there's a high likelihood that we move in the other direction, at least at the open, that we gap down, perhaps sharply, and depending on what happens in the remainder of the first hour, that should determine what happens the rest of the day on Monday. And of course, if we don't gap down sharply at the open, it'll be obvious before the market opens, and that's today's call.